situation. I shipped myself 2 boxes of clothes from Japan when I was there in October 2024. It is now January 2025. Pro tip, if you're shipping yourself stuff from Japan, ship it by air. I had Christmas gifts in here, and now, you know, it's too late. Y'all, welcome back to the channel, guys. If y'all are new here, my name is Emma. I own 2 vintage shops in New York City. Subscribe below, guys. I figured, why not come on here, do a little unboxing, because at this point, guys, these are like mystery boxes to me because I don't even remember what I bought. Which box should we open first? When you ship stuff from Japan, you're supposed to write all the contents out. I shipped a lot of random shit. You best know I wasn't gonna write all of that out. So in here, we have clothes. And then here, also just clothes. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. We're doing this guy first. The post office people were so nice. I literally walked in there, guys, with 5 suitcases. They let me sprawl all over the floor. I don't know if it was because they were just like, oh my God, this girl is crazy. I'm seeing some stuff that I kind of have a faint memory of. I'm super into jerseys. I found this really cute Japan national team. I'm here for a V-neck on jerseys, like other things, no. Cute little flag detail. This is cute. Contrast vertical stripes that just like, it hits. Oh, I for real don't remember any of the Eat, Drink, Sleep, and Motorcycle. The graphic on it is really cute. Single stitch all the way around. Probably like $2. This isn't even like rare or anything, but I was definitely super into polos at the time, and I still am, obviously. Rugby polo. This is by Eddie Bauer. I think I just liked how thick it was. It's not even old Eddie Bauer, guys. Like, let's see what year it is. 2005. Hey, that's actually pretty. This is 20 years old. We no longer are looking for physical tags. We can find vintage when it's a printed on tag. That just blew my mind. Always a telltale sign when I would go thrifting or sourcing, I would look for a physical label that was like sewn. Okay, another jersey, FC Clover. The thing I love about jerseys is like they have great colors. I don't really care what sport it is as long as it's like fly. This I got from the flea market, guys. Let me tell you, there was a lot of really good shit there. There was also a lot of fakes. I saw a vendor that had so much fake Dior, fake Galliano, Off-White. At first I saw all the prices and I was like, damn, that's good. Looking closer at the tags and I'm like, this is all fake. I have a feeling this might be fake too, but y'all, I spotted this on like some little old lady's table. Chrome Hearts tag. I sent this to my boy Danny. He confirmed that it was probably fake. However, you best know I'm gonna put this on and pull a fit pic with it, okay? This is from a thrift store called Trey Fac Sac. But if you're in Japan, you guys should hit it because they have some good designers. So this is Nanette, a super cute trench. The reason why I got this, it has like these hand pockets. I was just watching Emma Chamberlain's video about her closet with like that shirt with the little fingers in it. Reminds me of that. Hand, pocket. Yeah. Also, guys, I just moved in, so this is not how I usually live. Normally, I would set up my house to look really cute, but like I haven't had time. I haven't been home all 2025. I've been home probably a total of 5 days, and we just moved into this apartment. Okay, you see this? All right, swag. Oh my God. Jean Paul Gaultier Femme yellow long sleeve. It's really cool because the back is kind of like a second layer racer back. You could low key rock it as a dress. It'll hang down a little weird, but I feel like you could do something cool. I think I bought that at the store called Moda. I know I wouldn't have paid more than like 50 bucks for it. Playboy bomber jacket, 30 USD, which I think is really good for a true Playboy bomber jacket because Playboy merch is pretty expensive. I got this at a flea market from the cutest seller, y'all. She was literally playing Hannah Montana Best of Both Worlds at her booth. It reminded me of when I used to sell at Hester Street Fair and I decked out my tent. I have styled some shoots for the X-Girl team. So they let me go to their X-Girl store in Harajuku and I picked out some items. This was part of a set. I got it because it was like super furry matching X-Girl pants. Another little X-Girl cropped hoodie. I have the matching pants too. This I also got from the dollar section at the thrift store. Got like a little lace up, layering this over like a mock neck or a turtleneck. Love the colorway on this. No idea what it is, but I think these jerseys literally, guys, were all $2 to $4. Cameroon, so much yellow. Random ass jersey. I got it from Moda. 1,100 yen, guys. Tri-colored polo from Nike Oregon. It's got an older tag. I think this is like mid 2000s. Shout out Magnus and Wataru from No Mask Production. I met up with the No Mask boys in Japan because I've had them do 2 pop-ups now at my shop Rogue in Manhattan. If y'all haven't been and y'all are in New York, pull up. But if you can't, we also sell online, okay? www.roguearms.com. He gifted me this cropped sweater, cute rivet details. Sometimes I'm like, Emma, why did you buy something for 50 cents and ship it back in a box that cost you $200 to ship? What were you thinking? This is just a random black crew neck. This shit is for me. I was on the hunt for a trench coat. This is the most amazing trench coat I've ever found. Vintage Balenci would have made something like this. By Bell Vintage, the amount of layers, this is like a mesh over like a beautiful drapey other material. It just looks so fucking cool on you guys. If y'all have been to Japan, you recognize this bag. This is a bag from Capital. I think it's something that sailors used to wear so that if their hat flies off in the wind, it doesn't fall into the ocean. Not gonna lie, guys, this shit was like $200. In the US, you can't get them for under like $4. Definitely buy when you're out there because it's so much cheaper. This is how it comes. Maybe I'll wear this today too, goddamn. Look at how big the safety pin is. Damn, I don't know why I got this. Like, am I really gonna wear this all the time? I should have bought the beanie there because they have the chunky knit beanies that you could already feed these into. I was in the moment, guys. I don't even know if this is gonna look cute. And then you put your keys on here and then you hook this to your belt. Y'all, I thought it was really cool. I thought it was so sick. I was so sad that these boxes didn't arrive in time for Christmas because I had these bought for him since October and they didn't arrive. I know it's kind of like a statement piece. I think it'll be so cute for him, like a going out shirt when he's in Ibiza. It's got a dagger collar, which I thought was cool. Next thing I got him, he'll definitely like. This is way more wearable. The Capital stores in Japan, there's so many of them and I went to like 4 of them. One of them, you have to go and you have to take your shoes off when you go there, but it's such a cool experience. I got this one at that location. Cream Capital Thermal with like little floret detailing on the sleeves, and it has this little embroidery right here. I should have gotten him a darker color because he spills shit on himself all the time, guys. I'm curious to see like what kind of pants. Vintage baby tee. I can't tell if it's like explicit graphic, but it says Tokyo Babies and it looks like there's like a person putting fingers in their mouth. Tag has been cut, so I'm keeping that. This was another flea market find. I found these super cute girls that were selling a bunch of their stuff. Cute yellow long sleeve for pretty good prices. 1,000 yen. White super graphic tee, it was like $1. 1,100 yen. I think it's time Supra makes a comeback. Osiris is back. I think Volcom is on the way back. Affliction is back already. All these old skate brands are coming back. I remember when I wanted a pair of Supras so badly, and then my brother ended up getting 2 because like it was better for a guy to wear them, but like I thought they were so fly on Justin Bieber. Also bought so many snapbacks from Japan, and I bought this. I'm gonna get in my snapback era because an influencer I really like, her name is Iris Love Unicorn. She always wears snapbacks and I'm like, damn, she looks so cool with that shit on. I love making fried fits. Nobody would ever thrift this, which is why I like it. Ironic swag. I really thought these boxes were gonna be filled with more bangers, but I remember I put a lot of my good shit in my suitcase. Did anyone watch that video about Emma Chamberlain's movie trailer? I watched that last night. I cried, guys. One day, hopefully someone can make a movie about me. Please. Oh yeah, some good stuff I already see, yeah. But more jerseys. Vintage Nike in particular isn't as in demand as it was when Travis Scott was heavily wearing the center swooshes. It's just so interesting how trends come and go now. I think I got this for myself, or I'm definitely gonna wear it once because it's the perfect rogue yellow. Vintage Nike, early 2000s tag. They have a lot of Nike over there now that I'm thinking about it. G-Star Raw, Kelly Green Polo, 1,100 yen. I'm buying so many things for 1,100 yen. I'm like, is it $1 or is that, damn, it's so dumb. It's $7. Damn, I thought I got way better deals than I did. When you're in another country, don't you just get excited and like buy hella shit? Riff-raff wearing on a music video, on a yacht. This is like one of those pieces I get to test the market. Being a vintage store owner, we're usually like 6 months ahead of trends. So that's why I love putting like random skinny jeans on the rack, flowy cuts that are like 2 indie sleeves. Like maybe it's 2016 Tumblr, but it's not 2012 Tumblr that's hot right now. That's what this piece is to me.
It's the story of a time I became a big sister.
Hysteric Glamour all over print pants. I have had these once before when I was at Hester Street Fair years ago. I think I sold them for fucking steal, like $175 or something. I love all over prints and I love color. Hysteric is just one of my all-time favorite brands. Basic black Stussy hoodie. I want to gift Haley for her birthday. It's coming up in February, so it's perfect timing that these boxes arrive. Blind skateboards. I thought this graphic was so cute. It's from 2002. The tag is also sick. 4,400 yen, which is probably like $30. These are for my boyfriend. I pulled up to the extra large office. They gave me some Crocs. I also went to Don Quijote. If you're in Japan, you can't not go to Don Quijote. It is the most insane fucking department store. It has 10 floors. They have everything you can imagine. It's Walmart on crack. I got this Minion keychain for Jenny. Doraemon. I think it actually has candy in it. I'm gonna bring it to the shop. I wanna hang it like from the ceiling. Yes, this is what I needed. I got so much skincare. I'm so happy I got bangs because like I got lines in my forehead. I was trying to find anything I could find with retinol because I felt like Japan product is way better for you and I feel like it's cheaper. The reason I got it is because it said retinol, but I'm gonna try it out. Please, if you know what this is, enlighten me. I just got whatever I think looked like it would help my skin. I got deep under eye bag. Look at that graphic on there. She got some big bags and then she don't. That's what I need. Hello Kitty gummies. I don't know what this is inside, but it's a little surprise in there. Kuromi gummies. Cute gummy rings that I thought looked amazing. When I sleep on the plane, my mouth is open. So embarrassing. Mateo has so many horrible photos of me. So I got this mouth tape. So next time I'm on a plane, I'm not gonna be embarrassed. And I found this product at Don Quijote, which was like a giant chapstick. And you would just go like that. It was kind of like a wax stick and it would keep all your flyaways down. So I found this too, which is kind of like a mascara for your hair. Let's just test it right now because I lost that little thing. Oh guys, it works. Also, my hair is so broken from like being bleached so much, but like honestly, I love being blonde. Damn, I should have done it before and after, y'all. It's way better. Putting that in my bag. We went to Tokyo Disney and Tokyo Sea. You feel like you're walking in like another world. I bought these Monsters Inc. boxers. Let's just open it. Can I also tell you, I went to the Chrome Hearts store and I bought Chrome Hearts underwear and they gave me a small. They were like, small's good, small's good. But I'm a medium and these things are too tight on me. It's just such a waste. Like I spent so much money on that. Damn, why do they put the evil characters on front? But I guess like, look at the back. I will be wearing these to sleep and in day-to-day life. I bought these little like Winnie the Pooh clips. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, I gotta arrange them, but like Winnie the Pooh ears. Oh my god! I got these cookies from Tokyo Disney. We were so fucking hungry. My brother and I ate some while we were waiting for our friends. I got another boxer, guys. I got Mr. Potato Head. Literally, why? I have to show you one other thing I got from Tokyo Disney. This is my favorite purchase. A Sully tissue box holder and like has these little horns. This is my favorite Tokyo Disney purchase. Oh my god, this is a fucking another gift I got for Jenny. I got this from Don Quijote. She's been needing a wireless mouse. She's gonna die. She's gonna fucking freak out. My baby tea era was like from 2018 to like 2022. Like I would have been all over this shit. So many baby teas in here now. I'm excited. This is the cute stuff. Look at the cute little girl graphic. Miss Stupid. This I want to keep for myself, at least for like a couple of wears. Graphic baby tea by Pops Lemon. Have a lovely day. Can't get cuter than that. Random tank, but it says active girls. In the moment I was using the word active, everyone was like, yo, let's get activated. So I was like, activate. Chiefly made of tanks. I don't know this brand, but it reminds me of Hysteric. It's got these velour sleeves, deep purple, and I also love that it has the wording on the back. Love this vest. It has like a double set of buttons. The brand is called Cornflake. Very Bella Swan core, but with like a little bling. Pom-pommette jeans, short sleeve hoodie, back graphic. It's giving angel blue. It's giving mezzo piano. Guys, this is just me being fried. 2010 SpongeBob little kids t-shirt that says I fry therefore I am.
I think therefore I am.
Number on the back. Another jersey that was probably $6. This one actually looks like it might be worth something. England, and it says Rooney. Hey, we got a little baggie, guys. Hush Hush, love her. I think vests like this, guys, are so sexy. I would wear nothing underneath. Like, I low-key just want to try it on for you. I need to tighten the back, but like, do you see what I'm saying? Look at the back. Snatch. Business office siren core, but you don't wear anything under. I don't really have many going out shirts, but like, those are my favorite. This was pre-elevated Emma. I like am trying to up my style and be less fried, even though I love being fried. This is what I'm talking about. Who would buy this? Silence. Like, this is funny to me. I want to make this fly. I still have a thing for old Nike. Early 2000s tag, Jort Energy, folded up like this, a little like tight tank and like a Dior bag. Guys, I had no clue before I went to Japan how expensive Lolita clothing was. I dropped $500 or $600 on my full Lolita outfit. It was an experience. I got fitted up by like the cutest shop attendant. She was so sweet. But I found this at the flea market for like $2 or $3. The lace is just so intricate, so I have to figure out a way to style this. This is like for a runner. The tag is a little bit older. Maybe I should do videos about like how to read tags. Look at this. The ink imprints onto the rest of the shirt. That is so sad. Another Adidas jersey. I think this is a German. Okay, this I thought was so cool. It has like all these characters written on it, and if you can understand it, let me know what it says. This was mine that I brought from the US, but I will be selling it at the shop because I already wore it. Warehouse One. I don't know this brand, but it's giving like affliction core. Got like this little graphic here. These are by the brand Dear Heart. It reminded me of Capital because of all the patchwork that's on it. I love how the back patch is just like this sheer piece of satin. And that's it! Thank God! If there was like one piece y'all would keep from this haul, comment it down below. I got these from flea market, thrift stores, and I was trying to keep my price per piece really low because as like a vintage seller, like that's just my brain. I know it was a lot of random ass jerseys, but like jerseys are trending right now. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to see when we upload new videos. We upload shorts every day. Love you, and I'll see you next week. Bye.